Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best cabin air filters for cars in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is EPAuto CP134 Cabin Air Filter. When it comes to the safety and well-being of you and your family, you should only trust the products that are trusted by thousands of others, even for a car accessory. Therefore, we have this cabin air filter at the top of our list. This premium cabin air filter is the first and most popular option that we have on this list today. This is rather a budget option, but it still features an activated carbon filter to increase the filtration capacity and effectiveness. Plus, the combination of carbon and soda works together to offer a breeze of fresh air in the car. This option is a highly popular one since it is compatible with a wide range of models designed by Acura as well as Honda. You can definitely find your car listed in the compatibility section if you own a Honda or an Acura vehicle. Apart from offering fresh and pure air, this cabin air filter also ensures increased HVAC system performance, which is always a benefit. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bosch 6055C HEPA Cabin Air Filter. It is one of the largest brands in the automotive industry right now with worldwide production of vehicle accessories and components. Thus, the cabin air filter from Bosch is one of the most popular options on the market. In the second position, we are putting this cabin air filter. This is a highly efficient and premium option that is designed to provide an ultimately clean and pure environment inside a car. And since the product contains a HEPA filter, you can rest assured that there are no harmful chemicals or neutralizers in the filter. This cabin air filter also features a melt brown electrostatic layer which is very dense and has enormous trapping capacity. On top of that, it has an additional layer of the static cotton layer to increase the filtration capacity. To make this a rigid and strong filter, Bosch has added additional ribs to maintain the stability of the filter. Number 3. Our third best pick is Puroma Cabin Air Filter. If you are on the lookout for the cheapest replacement you can find for your Toyota, Lexus, or Scion car, you should get this option from Puroma. This is the most affordable option from our list with a lot of benefits. In the third place, we have this cabin air filter. This is the cheapest option that we have for you right now. But, it still offers a high filtration capacity thanks to the activated carbon layer. So, you will get exceptional protection from dust, soot, dirt, and many other types of pollutants. Plus, there is a soda woven layer that combines with the activated carbon for better filtration efficiency. This cabin air filter also manages to significantly improve the performance of your car's HVAC system that can benefit from the fresh air intake. It is possible because of the closed mesh non-woven filter layer of this cabin air filter. However, you should still get the filter checked every year and replace it once a year if possible. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter. It also has a fairly popular option for a cabin air filter which is trusted by thousands of customers. On top of that, this is a budget option best suited for Acura and Honda cars. This cabin air filter is yet another budget choice on our list of the best cabin air filters. This filter has dedicated vents to filter the intake air and deodorize the volume with the help of a hammer and arm baking soda. This cabin air filter is also promising to filter up to 98% of all types of contaminants, which is pretty good. The installation of this cabin air filter is also quite easy. All you need to do is reach into your glove compartment and slide in the filter to get it locked in its place. This cabin air filter is a perfect fit for CF11182 for select Acura and Honda vehicles. So if you have a car from Acura or Honda, it can be a perfect fit for your case. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Spearhead Premium Cabin Air Filter. It is also bringing a budget option for a cabin air filter on this list. However, it is offering a comparatively longer lifespan for this cabin air filter. This cabin filter is one more budget option that we have for this list of the best cabin air filters. While most standard cabin air filters offer a lifespan of about 12,000 miles, this filter offers a nearly 25% longer life that makes it last for up to 15,000 miles. And it also has a real coconut shell activated carbon layer for the best filtration capacity. This cabin filter also uses a thick and industrial-grade electrostatic media that makes it possible to trap even the smallest pollutants. But as a result, the filter is almost twice as heavier as other options. And since this is a budget option, it is a pretty good choice for the price. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.